Who are you talking to?
Fucking nature. Why are you telling me to do this? I'm a priest. Anywho. Oh boy. So glad that we have two people holding hands, looking each other's eyes. Should we do the deed? Oh, I wasn't supposed to.
Ben has a candle.
Oh yeah, the candle. So this candle represents. Hopefully, it doesn't go out while I'm lighting it. It represents eternity.
Stop laughing!
So when
So we get for having a Rastafarian priest.
Shut the fuck up.
They light it, not you.
No, they're supposed
Oh,
to light it.
yeah,
You're not
you have to
united.
deal with it.
Here, hold the hat.
All right, got it.
All right.
I think we should get rid of my veil.
No, it'll start.
No, you're not
We're surrounded by water. We're good.
Okay, talk about whatever.
Say some words.
So there was a time where these two youngsters met eyes. It was at McDonald's, and they were
White
like,
Castle.
Hey, good looking. Let's hold hands and maybe get married someday. And look what happened. Boo. Go fuck up.
Oh, your hands!
I got colors. Ouch. There we go.
Whoa!
How are they both supposed to light it?
Just
All right.
With the
I don't know what
fire
else I'm
that
supposed to say. It's beautiful.
do you so and so?
Oh, yeah.
You scorpion.
Do you have the ring?
No, I do.
I got it on lockdown. Don't worry. You scorpion. Take the Nick Man, Meister Igo, as your loving husband.
I do.
And to you,
Fucking hesitation.
hey! Nick Igo, you take the one, the only scorpion to be your wife.
I do.
You may now kiss
Wait, no.
Scorpion.
Rings.
Oh yeah, rings. I don't know.
Are there no vows?
Yeah.
Those are the bells.
Yeah, bring the rings.
Oh!
You put that.
Look at how good I look.
No, no.
Bling bling. I'm running video. I'm not taking pictures right now. So.
There's
So with this ring, I do it.
Oh.
I burned my thumb. It really hurts.
Shut up, dude. That's sweet, man. All right. So we already did that one part before. So
And I'm going to offer to Nick, instead of a ring, a match.
Oh,
as
you're
a
gonna burn
sign of my never-ending burning love.
That shit
for you.
Shit.
Keep
That's
it
a special
secret.
match.
oh,
Cute.
you may now kiss.
This is gonna go flying.
Nope, we've secured.
Hey.
Oh, do it again. I didn't get to take it. No, do it
Where's that
again.
damn rice?
Come on.
I'm gonna go grab
Kiss again like it was the first time.
Nick.